Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SM, and I am so beyond excited for today's video because honestly, who isn't on the hunt for that perfect ride or die foundation? We're diving into the world of makeup to uncover the best foundations for long-lasting coverage. Foundations that take you from morning coffee to a glamorous night out without budging. This is serious business, you guys. Today, we're not just swatching, we're exploring. I've put so many foundations to the test over the years, and let me tell you, not all heroes wear capes, but some definitely come in a bottle with a pump. We're going to look at everything from cult classics to some amazing budget-friendly gems that will absolutely blow your mind. Get ready to take notes because your makeup bag is about to get a serious upgrade. Whether you have a super busy day packed with meetings, a special event where you need to look absolutely stunning for hours on end, or you just want that confidence boost knowing your base is locked in and flawless, I've got you covered. These foundations are the real deal, tried and tested, and I'm going to break down why each one deserves a spot on our list. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's find your next holy grail foundation that will keep you looking flawless all day long, and I mean all day long. All right, kicking things off with an absolute legend, Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. It's like the little black dress of foundations. Classic, reliable, and it just works. The magic lies in its incredible long-lasting power. We're talking 24-hour wear, heat-resistant, humidity-resistant, and transfer-resistant. It provides a beautiful, flawless matte finish that looks incredibly sophisticated. Okay, my loves, let's talk about a foundation that proves you don't need to break the bank to achieve a flawless, long-lasting base. I'm looking at you, Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. This little gem is a drugstore legend, and honestly, it performs just as well, if not better, than some of its high-end counterparts. I am constantly amazed by the quality you get for such an affordable price point. It's one of those products that I always recommend, especially if you're just starting out with makeup or if you want an amazing, everyday option that won't empty your wallet. The Matte Plus Poreless claims are pretty bold, right? But let me tell you, this foundation really does deliver on that promise for so many people. It's specifically formulated for normal to oily skin types, and it works wonders at controlling shine and minimizing the appearance of pores. It gives you this beautiful, natural-looking matte finish that isn't flat or dull. Instead, your skin just looks refined, smooth, and perfected. It's like an Instagram filter in a bottle, but for a fraction of the price you'd expect for such results. What I also adore about the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless is its lightweight feel. Next up, we have to talk about a game changer by Rihanna, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. It didn't just make waves, it created a tsunami. Fenty Beauty redefined inclusivity with its groundbreaking shade range. The formula is a powerhouse, especially for oily skin. It combats shine and provides a soft matte finish all day long. Pro Filter might just be your new best friend. It's resistant to sweat and humidity, keeping your base flawless. It adjusts to your skin's needs. The soft matte finish is key. It controls oil without looking lifeless. Leaves skin looking naturally perfected. Buildable coverage conceals imperfections without feeling heavy. All right, my loves. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about a foundation that is an absolute dream for those with normal to dry skin or anyone who craves that beautiful, radiant, lit-from-within glow. I'm talking about the iconic NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. The name itself just sounds luxurious and inviting, doesn't it? And trust me, the product lives up to its beautiful name. This foundation is all about enhancing your natural complexion, providing a luminous finish that makes your skin look healthy, hydrated, and incredibly dewy without ever looking greasy or shimmery. One of the standout features of NARS Sheer Glow is its ability to impart a gorgeous, natural-looking radiance. It's not packed with glitter or obvious shimmer particles. Instead, it just catches the light in the most flattering way, making your skin look plump, fresh, and alive. This is particularly beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin, as matte foundations can sometimes emphasize dryness or make the skin look dull. Sheer Glow does the opposite. It brings your skin to life and gives it that coveted healthy sheen that we all adore. Despite its name, Sheer Glow actually offers buildable coverage, ranging from sheer to medium full. You can easily customize the level of coverage to suit your needs. Okay, let's talk about another absolute titan in the foundation game, a product that has been a staple in professional makeup artist kits and personal makeup bags for decades. I'm of course referring to the one and only MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. This foundation is legendary, and one of its most celebrated attributes is its incredibly extensive shade range. MAC has always been at the forefront of inclusivity, offering a vast array of shades and undertones, ensuring that virtually everyone can find their perfect seamless match. That's something I've always admired and respected about the brand. Studio Fix Fluid is known for its reliable, buildable medium to full coverage with a natural matte finish. It's a workhorse foundation that you can count on to even out your skin tone, cover imperfections, and control oil and shine for hours on end. We're talking up to 24 hours of wear, which is seriously impressive. Despite its long-wearing capabilities and matte finish, it doesn't feel overly heavy or drying on the skin, especially if you prep well. It just creates this flawless, polished look that's perfect for everyday wear, special occasions, and even photography. My loves, if there's one foundation that is consistently whispered about in celebrity circles and adored by makeup artists for red carpet events, it has to be the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This foundation is pure luxury in a bottle, and it's famed for its ability to create an absolutely flawless, radiant, and incredibly natural-looking complexion. It's the epitome of your skin, but better, giving you that lit-from-within glow that looks like you're just naturally blessed with perfect skin. It's truly a masterpiece of a formula. The texture of luminous silk is just divine. It's lightweight, it's fluid, and it glides onto the skin like, well, silk. It blends out effortlessly, whether you use your fingers, a brush, or a sponge, and it just melts into your complexion, becoming virtually undetectable. What's so magical about it is that it provides beautiful, buildable medium coverage that evens out skin tone and conceals imperfections, yet it never looks heavy or cakey. It manages to perfect the skin while still allowing its natural texture to shine through. The luminous in its name is not about glitter or overt shimmer. Instead, it's a sophisticated candlelit glow that makes your skin look healthy, hydrated, and incredibly smooth. Need a foundation that lasts through anything? Meet Urban Decay All-Nighter Liquid Foundation. It's long-wearing, waterproof, and life-proof. Full coverage with a modern matte finish. Edgy, high-performance, and perfect for flawless, airbrushed looks. Conceals blemishes, redness, and even tattoos. Comfortable and long-lasting. Perfect for hot, humid climates and intense workouts. My loves, let's talk about a foundation that has captured the hearts of so many because it masterfully blurs the line between makeup and skin. I'm talking about the gorgeous Too Faced Born This Way foundation. The philosophy behind this foundation is to give you coverage so undetectable and a finish so natural that people will think you were simply born this way with flawless skin. And honestly, it does an incredible job of achieving that beautiful, effortless look while still providing amazing coverage. What I absolutely adore about Born This Way is its oil-free formula that's infused with a beautiful blend of skin-loving ingredients. We're talking coconut water to help replenish moisture levels, alpine rose to brighten and promote elasticity, and hyaluronic acid for a smoother, more youthful appearance. So, while it's perfecting your complexion, it's also giving your skin a little bit of love, which is always a win in my book. This makes it feel incredibly comfortable to wear throughout the day, never heavy or suffocating. This foundation offers medium to full coverage that is surprisingly buildable, yet manages to maintain a very natural, radiant finish. It's not too matte, not too dewy. It just hits that perfect sweet spot in between, making your skin look healthy, plump, and luminous. Now, for those of you who love a multitasking product, especially my mature skin beauties or anyone looking for serious skincare benefits packed into their coverage, let me shine a spotlight on the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream with SPF 50+. This product is an absolute powerhouse and a cult favorite for so many reasons. It's more than just a CC cream. It's like a full coverage foundation, a hydrating anti-aging serum, and a broad-spectrum physical sunscreen all rolled into one incredible tube. Developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists, this CC Plus cream is packed to the brim with skin-loving ingredients. We're talking hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, niacin, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and vitamins. It's like a superfood smoothie for your skin. These ingredients work together to hydrate, smooth, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, minimize pores, and improve overall skin tone and texture over time. So while you're getting amazing coverage, your skin is also receiving a potent dose of anti-aging goodness. Despite being a CC cream, the coverage this product provides is truly impressive. It's definitely full coverage. It effectively conceals redness. It's amazing for rosacea-prone skin, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and other imperfections, giving you a flawless, even-toned complexion. Yet, it doesn't feel heavy or look cakey, which is particularly important for mature skin, as heavy makeup can often settle into fine lines and wrinkles, accentuating them. This CC Plus cream does the opposite. It makes the skin look smoother and more youthful. Let's talk about a true legend in the makeup community, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. Created to look flawless under high-definition cameras, it offers a seamless, natural finish. Lightweight and fluid, it blends like a dream, providing buildable medium coverage. It evens out skin tone, blurs pores, and mimics healthy, perfected skin. Suitable for all skin types, it has a natural satin finish. And there you have it, my amazing loves, our deep dive into the best foundations for long-lasting coverage. From iconic powerhouses to budget-friendly superstars, there's a perfect match for everyone. I hope this guide has been fun and informative. Find a foundation that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had an absolute blast sharing these products with you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Your support helps our beauty community grow. Let us know in the comments which foundation is your favorite. I love reading your comments and getting your recommendations. Thanks again for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Stay flawless!